How to connect MetaTrader 5 with Exness. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect MetaTrader 5 to Exness. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta click on your account over here, and then here you can see that this is a demo account. So you gotta make a real account. So for that, you can click on this plus icon over here and then click on real account. And after that, you'll be redirected to an interface that looks something like this. So you can select which real account you wish to connect. For example, I want this one, so I'm going to click on continue. And after that, you got to select the currency. I'm going to let it be USD, and then you can give it a custom name. For example, I'm going to give it this. And then click on save changes, and now this is leverage. So using leverage means that you can trade positions larger than the amount of money in your trading account. So leverage amount is expressed as a ratio. Now here you can see that the leverage is 1:200, but I'm gonna now these are at high risk, so I'm gonna select any with medium risk or low risk. So let me just select 1:100 because it is medium risk. I don't want to take much risk, so I'm just going to click on continue. After that, you got to select a trading password. So I'm going to select one real quick. I've typed down my password, and after that, I'm going to click on continue. So after that, you'll be able to see that you've created a real account here right now. So after that, what you got to do is just click on your account, and now you can see this is the account. So just click on it. So just click on account details, and then here click on settings, and you will be redirected to an interface like this. Now here is your login. So what you got to do is you can first check your settings. If the settings are according to your own desires, then you can just click on this copy icon, and you'll be able to see that your login has been copied to clipboard. And here you got to select your server. Now my server here right now is MT5 Real 2, so you got to remember this server. After that, you're going to go to your MetaTrader 5 account, and when you come to your MetaTrader 5 account, you'll be able to see something like this. So you're going to select settings. So you can either click on trade accounts or new account, and then click on plus icon over here, and then you're going to find your broker. Or if you're not able to find your broker, you can click on can't find your broker, and you can ask your broker to contact MetaCodes Ltd, and we will add this company into the list shortly. And once you found your broker, in our case it's Exness, so what you got to do is come over back to your Exness and copy your server from here, and then paste your server over here, and then you got to copy your login from here, and then paste your login over here, something like this. And after that, you can type in the same password that you have saved over here in your Exness, and after that you can just click on sign in, and you'll be able to link your Exness with your MetaTrader 5. So that is basically how you can link MetaTrader 5 with Exness. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.